Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another eyeshadow makeup inspired look, and once again it's by Little Mix and the new music video, which is Woman Like Me. But today I'm going to be doing Jessy. Now this is the one I decided to do. I'm sorry if it's a bit blurry, it's in the middle of a screenshot, but it's basically this burnt orange rusty shade with bronzy cheeks. I'm not going to do my full face because I use a lot of high-end products, but I will attempt to do the eyes. Now, fun fact about me, I hate doing winged eyeliner, and Jessy clearly seems to have winged eyeliner, as you can see, so that will be fun to try to attempt. And yeah, we'll just see how we do today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe before you leave, and also leave a comment down below letting me know what you liked about this video, who your favorite person is from Little Mix if you guys listen to them, and what you're currently loving at the moment makeup wise. I use a lot of high-end stuff, so like Smashbox, all that things, but eyeshadows I use affordable things like Makeup Geek, Cosmetics, things like that. So let me know what you guys are currently enjoying and I might check them out. So anyway, let's get on with today's video. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in just a little bit, and first thing I'm going to do, I've already primed using the MAC paint pot in Painterly and setting it with Vanilla Bean by Makeup Geek. So the next is another Makeup Geek eyeshadow, and it's called Latte. This is cool tone brown, and I'm just going to chuck that in the crease. And basically what you want to do is you want to follow the tape. So the tape is your guide. So I'm just basically going to start from here and go all the way into the inner corner, because in the photo Jessy's is very angled. It's very defined, winged, like all the way up here. So that's what we're trying to attempt. So basically I'm going to just got to dust off all the leftover shadow, and just going to start there and go back and forth, making sure you're hitting the tape as your guide. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. I might zoom you guys in a little bit more. Is that a bit better? Let me know in the comments which is better, a bit more in or a bit more out. I'm just not entirely sure with the filming. And then you once again do the same thing on the other side. It's very cheap, this eyeshadow look. Now with my face, I tend to use a bit more higher end instead of like drugstore. I like to use Smashbox and Benefit and things like that. So let me know if there's any good products for dry skin like me, and I will be willing to test it out, because I'm finding it really hard to find cheap makeup looks like to do for my skin, and I just find you know, using a bit more higher end works a bit better for me. So yeah, just let me know what you're currently loving and what's your skin type. So basically like that. And then I got the BH Cosmetics. I'll just zoom, oh, that's in. I'm going to zoom you guys out for a little bit. So this is the BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette. So there's two palettes in here. But I'm going to take this orange shade here and here. And I'm going to take that on a packer brush and basically go over the whole lid and make a V shape. So I'm going to use that on my Storybook Cosmetics eyeshadow packer brush, because I find that works really well for me. Use whatever you have in your collection. If you have like this burnt orange shade, I'm just mixing the two. And then I'm going to tap it off. Whoa, look at that fallout. And then I'm just going to go back and forth. And once again, hitting the tape as well. I'm going to make sure you're getting that triangle. Or the V-line, I guess people would say. It's very simple, very quick. Won't take you that long to do it all. Now, I don't think I'm going to do my face routine as a part of this tutorial, like how I will recreate it. Because as I said, I use high-end stuff, and I don't want for you guys to feel pressured into buying it just because I think it works better. So let me know if you guys want to see, if you want me to include it next time, or if you want me to do like a separate video about it. Otherwise, I'll just list the products I use down below. Yeah, I just don't like it that these beauty YouTubers are like saying, oh, this is really good, this is great, I swear on this, blah, 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 blah. And it's just like, are you on an ad show trying to sell all this? Like, go back to your roots, you know? Here's meowing. Struggle with having a cat. Always whenever I film. Because I have to shut my door because Mum and Dad also go back and forth, and then Tia as well, and it's just a pain. Can't wait till I move out someday. Just so it can be quiet when I film. Okay, so it's just basically like that. See, it's not that hard to achieve this look, which is really good. But, you know, if you have like any orange shades you recommend instead of this BH Cosmetic palettes, leave them down below and I'll check them out. Because I'm struggling to find a really good, like, burnt orange shade. Like, I've got a billion of purple and blue, but not so much orange, which is really weird. And red. It's another weird one I haven't found yet. Okay, so after that is the tricky bit. Well, actually, like, we better blend first. So I'm just going to take a super tapered E35 and just smooth it out. To make it a bit more seamless. Now, I do have a bit of orange in here, but we can clean that up with a bit of concealer when you do your facial routine. So, the next step is wing. Now, confession, I'm rubbish at winged eyeliner. I could do normal, not wing. So, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Limited Liquid Liner Pen in Jet Black because it's a felt tip. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. There we are. So I'm going to be using that and using the tape as a guide. This could look really bad or really good. I hope I don't get panda eyes. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay, so mine's a bit thicker than Jessy's. Right off the bat, I did a mistake, but we just got to keep swimming. Ooh, I just poked my eye. Ouch. This is why I hate liquid eyeliner. I think that's the best I'm going to get. What do you guys think? Do I look like a panda? Let's take the tape off and see. Oh, that feels good. Obviously, I've got a bit of eyeliner at the bottom and my eyes are starting to water, but I don't think it's that bad. Let's see if I can recreate it on this side. That's the trouble with eyeliner. You can't always get it even. They're always sisters, never twins. Or sometimes cousins. Alright. And I'm sorry if I'm not talking during this. I just feel like I've held my breath while doing this, so. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Boy. Not that bad. I might have to. Yeah, now just stuffed it up. Okay, you know what? I'm going to get a Q-tip and clean this up. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll come right back for the finished look, okay? Alright, see you soon. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'll zoom you in. So I got bronzy cheeks, a bit of a glow because obviously little mix, it's their signature. Jessy had like a, where's my phone? She had like a very browny nude lip on, obviously Botox, but no, I figured this lipstick worked out well. It's Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in Mannequin, so that's what I use there. I try to fix up my eyeliner, but as I said before, I'm not an expert at eyeliner. Despite how many easy step eyeliner tutorials that I've watched, I'm crap at doing winged eyeliner. So do you think I look like Jessy yet? Obviously I'm not blonde in this video, but do you think we could be twins? Like I could be the fairer version of her? I don't know. But I had a lot of fun doing this eyeshadow look. I think it's the most wearable out of the girls. Actually, maybe Leanne, because all Leanne's has is pink winged eyeliner, so that's like the easiest one. But I think this is the most wearable eyeshadow out of the girls because Jade had this bright blue, like royal blue shade on her eyes, which I've already done previously. And then Perry's is this lavender purple color, which I'm doing next, so that will be even more fun. Yeah, let me know how you guys think I did. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe before you leave, and leave a comment down below if you want me to do Perry or Leanne next, and if you want to see it like an everyday, got hair in my mouth, if you guys want to see an everyday makeup routine with all the high-end products that I have, let me know and I'll be happily to do that. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!